Hello and welcome to the PTBoard tutorial video for the volunteer sign-up feature. In this video, we will walk through the process of creating a volunteer sign-up and the different options you have with this feature. First, click the Create a Volunteer Sign-up button. You can either create a single event sign-up or a multiple time slot sign-up. The first option is for one-time events or no-time events. For example, you may want to create a single event sign-up for a Father's Day potluck so people can bring in different foods. Or at the beginning of the school year, you may want parents to sign up for different board member positions, such as student directory chair. Let's walk through creating a single event sign-up. Once you click on this option, you will need to choose a template for your sign-up. Then, enter a title and description for your sign-up. You may upload your own image here if you'd like. Click the Add or Edit Sign-up Items to begin adding items for volunteers to sign up for. You can add items or tasks and enter a quantity for each item. Date and time are optional. Click More Items and Tasks if you'd like to enter more items than the amount provided. When finished, click the Update to the Sign-up button. If at any point you decide you would like to change the template, you may do so using the Change Template button. Once you have finished adding items to your sign-up, click Save and Continue. The sign-up will be added to your drafts. Now let's walk through creating a multiple time slots sign-up. The multiple time slot option is for recurring events or events with multiple time slots. For example, you may set up monthly sign-ups for refreshments for PTA meetings or a book fair event with sign-ups for volunteering for different shifts. Again, click Create a Volunteer Sign-up and choose a suitable template. This time, you may add time slots and items, and you can make this sign-up a weekly recurring event by using the wizard at the top. Simply select the start and end date for the sign-up to recur. Then choose the day of the week the sign-up is for. The wizard will add these dates to the sign-up, but you are not limited to just weekly dates. If you would like to add more dates, you may do so manually by filling out each slot. You can also use the time slot feature for a single event with different volunteer times. Simply select the same date for each row in the first column and choose different times for people to sign up for. For example, you may need volunteers to sign up for setting up a bake sale during 3 to 4 p.m., running the bake sale from 4 to 6 p.m., and packing up the bake sale from 6 to 7 p.m. Additionally, you may add multiple items to a single time slot using the plus button to the right of that time slot. For instance, you may need some volunteers to bring cookies and others to bring brownies during the 3 to 4 p.m. time slot. In draft mode, you will find a few options you can choose from before publishing your sign-up. If you would like to receive notification emails whenever someone signs up for something, click the Update Notification Emails button. You can add or edit the email address that will be notified whenever users sign up for items. You can also make a copy of sign-ups if you have similar events planned for the future. The last two options are closing the sign-up or deleting the sign-up. Closing the sign-up will allow it to be viewed from the Close tab, while deleting it will get rid of the sign-up altogether. To publish the sign-up, click the hamburger menu and choose Manage Publishing. Enter the date and time you would like the sign-up to be published and closed. PTBoard will automatically send emails to all users in your school when the sign-up is published. But if you would not like to send emails out, uncheck the checkbox here. Click Schedule Published when finished. The sign-up will be found under the Scheduled tab until it is published. All published sign-ups will be under the Open tab, and once they reach the close date, they will be found under the Close tab. PTBoard also offers more options once sign-ups have been published. If you would like to send an email to users, you can do so using the Send Email to Users option. There are 3 choices to choose from. You can send an email to all users, send an email to only signed up users, or send an email to users who have not yet signed up. For example, you may want to send an email reminding signed up users to bring food to a potluck, or you may want to send an email to unsigned up users prompting them to sign up for an item in an upcoming event. Simply choose which option suits your needs and enter your message into the text box here. Click Send when you're ready. If you would like to reorder signups, you may do so with the Move Up and Move Down buttons. You can also print the sign up or download the sign up as a CSV file. Only admins will be able to sign up for others. For example, if you're an administrator and a parent has communicated to you that they are able to volunteer for the setup of a book fair, you can sign up for that parent by following these directions. First, click Detail, then click the setting icon in the bottom right of the item. Enter the information and click Sign Up. Now, that slot will have that person's information added. The last two options in the hamburger menu are to close or delete the sign up. Thank you for watching. Please check out the volunteer sign up feature for yourself. And if you have any questions, email us at info@ptboard.com.